Get 50% off on InVideo subscription. Check the link in the description. Use promo code for 50 free minutes of AI video generation. Am I the only one that didn't know how powerful Instagram Reels can be for education? What do you think? Have you used Reels for educational purposes before? Imagine being able to condense a complex topic into a 30-second video that not only informs but also captivates your audience. The potential is immense, and it's time we tap into it. Instagram Reels have become a powerful tool for educators and content creators to share knowledge, engage audiences, and create impactful educational content. With the rise of short-form video content, Reels offer a unique opportunity to present information in a concise and engaging manner. How do you think short-form videos can enhance learning? Think about the way we consume information today: quick, engaging snippets that hold our attention. Reels fit perfectly into this paradigm, making learning not just effective, but also enjoyable. Leveraging invideo-AI's features can enhance your ability to produce high-quality educational reels efficiently. This AI-driven platform simplifies the editing process, allowing you to focus more on content creation and less on technical details. Have you tried using AI tools for video editing? Imagine having a virtual assistant that helps you with the heavy lifting, so you can concentrate on crafting your message. The possibilities are endless when technology and creativity come together. This guide explores the process of creating educational Instagram Reels using invideo-AI, offering valuable tips and strategies to maximize your content's effectiveness. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or a content creator, these insights will help you make the most of this powerful tool. What kind of educational content do you create? From science experiments to historical facts, the scope of educational content is vast. And with the right tools, you can make any subject matter engaging and accessible.
Educational Instagram Reels offer a dynamic way to convey information and engage viewers. They are perfect for breaking down complex topics into digestible segments, making learning more accessible and enjoyable. What topics would you like to see broken down into Reels? Imagine explaining a complicated math theorem or a historical event in a way that's easy to understand and remember. The impact of such content can be profound, reaching learners of all ages and backgrounds. The short-form video format of Reels is particularly effective for capturing attention, enhancing learning, increasing engagement, and building a community. By using Reels, you can reach a broader audience and foster a more interactive learning environment. How do you engage your audience with short videos? Think about the power of storytelling, how a well-told story can captivate and inspire. Reels allow you to tell these stories in a visually compelling way, making learning a shared experience.
Utilizing invideo-AI to create educational reels allows you to streamline the production process while maintaining high content quality. The platform's intuitive interface and robust features make it easy to produce professional-grade videos without extensive editing experience. What features do you look for in a video editing tool? Imagine having access to a suite of tools that not only simplify the editing process but also enhance the final product. From automated editing to customizable templates, the right features can make all the difference. invideo-AI provides tools designed to optimize the creation of educational reels. Key features include AI-driven editing, customizable templates, interactive features, high-quality visuals, and professional audio. These tools help you create content that is not only informative but also visually appealing and engaging. Which feature do you find most useful? Think about the impact of high-quality visuals and clear audio on your audience. These elements can make your content more engaging and easier to understand, enhancing the overall learning experience.
Start by defining your educational goals, then select and customize a template from invideo-AI that aligns with those goals. Consider the needs of your audience and the key messages you want to convey. What are your main educational goals? Whether it's to inform, inspire, or engage, having clear goals will guide your content creation process. Think about the impact you want to make and how you can achieve it through your reels. Create engaging visuals, add interactive elements, and use invideo-AI's editing tools to fine-tune your reel. Remember to incorporate elements that will captivate your audience, such as compelling visuals, clear audio, and interactive features. What elements do you think make a video captivating? Think about the power of visuals and sound in storytelling. A well-crafted video can evoke emotions, spark curiosity, and inspire action. By combining these elements, you can create a truly captivating learning experience.
Just hit preview to see your masterpiece in action. Take the time to review your content and make any necessary adjustments to ensure it meets your educational objectives. How do you ensure your content meets your goals? Think about the importance of feedback and iteration in the creative process. By reviewing and refining your content, you can ensure it aligns with your goals and resonates with your audience. Publish your reel on Instagram and promote it through various channels to reach a wider audience. Utilize hashtags, collaborate with other educators, and share your reels across different social media platforms to maximize visibility. What strategies do you use to promote your content? Think about the power of collaboration and community in amplifying your message. By working together and sharing your content, you can reach a broader audience and make a greater impact. Monitor engagement and feedback to assess the impact of your content. Use insights and analytics to understand what resonates with your audience and refine your approach accordingly. How do you use feedback to improve your content? Think about the importance of continuous improvement in the creative process. By listening to your audience and making adjustments, you can create content that truly resonates and makes a difference. Don't miss out. 50% off on invideo subscription. Link in the description. Use promo code for 50 free minutes of AI video generation.
So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of educational Instagram Reels with invideo-io and transform the way you share knowledge. What new ideas do you have for your next reel? Think about the endless possibilities for creativity and innovation in educational content. With the right tools and a little imagination, you can create reels that inspire, inform, and engage. Try out invideo-io today and take your content to the next level. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, you'll be creating impactful educational content in no time. What are you most excited to try with invideo-io? Think about the potential for growth and learning as you explore new tools and techniques. By embracing innovation, you can elevate your content and make a greater impact. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more insights on how to enhance your educational content. What topics would you like us to cover next? Think about the value of continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest trends and techniques. By subscribing and engaging with our content, you can stay informed and inspired. Happy creating! We can't wait to see what you come up with. What will you create next? Think about the excitement and satisfaction of bringing your ideas to life. With the right tools and a little creativity, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching. Get 50% off on invideo subscription. Check the link in the description. Use promo code for 50 free minutes of AI video generation.